Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain what is Stellar Expert, but at the beginning of the video I want to demonstrate one great thing about our universe. As you can see there, we have the first image from the James Webb Space Telescope. We have a great universe, and while we are observing our universe, we use telescopes. Also, we can make an analogy between James Webb Telescope and the Stellar Expert, because we have here the Stellar Blockchain. Stellar Blockchain is a great universe. Stellar Blockchain makes the money decentralized and distribute the wealth to the people. So while we are looking for that, while we are looking at the transactions, while we are looking for this assets on the Stellar network, we use Stellar Expert. So when we go this website, we can see the asset number on the Stellar network, we can see the payments, we can see the XLM circulation, the total accounts, the active accounts, the new assets issued for daily stats. So we can see a great interface like there. So while we are using the Stellar Expert, we can understand how the Stellar Dex goes and how the assets makes their performances. As you can see there, we can see the assets on the ledger and their performance for weekly and monthly. Also, we can see the total accounts and daily active accounts like that. These charts are really important. And as we can see there also, I want to give an extra information. We are really bullish about this Stellar Dex activities on the Stellar blockchain. So we can actually also use the Stellar Expert for looking for transactions, looking for the assets on the Stellar network. For example, I'm asking for the NUNA, and here many of the NUNAs, the other ones except this one, is fraudulent. So we need to be really careful about this kind of things. So when we look for example, NUNA there, for example, you are looking for the issue address for the NUNA, the contract address, you are looking for typing there NUNA and looking for the assets there. So we can see the total funded trust times, total payments, and total trades. And also here is the maybe most important part. We should make the confirmation on this website too. So when I click on that, it says this website is issuer website of this asset. So when we come there, we can see that the NUNA is there, so it's the official website. We can see that also the total supply, also the verifiedness of this asset. So we can say that we are on the true place for the NUNA assets. So we can come the issuer address and looking for the address there. So if we want to trade this asset, we can just copy that and also use it to the copy paste section on the Rabbit, and we can add this asset. Also we can trade this asset by using this address. So these addresses are unique for every asset, and you need to be really sure about you are on the true place. So here is really important confirmation. And so when you want to buy some assets on the Stellar network, you must do it. Also when we are looking for that, there is some ratings, some supply and accounts. Also, we can see the bullish asset holders charts for the NUNA. We can look for the circulating supply asset holders and etc. So here really important things for the assets. Also, we can see the payments. For example, when you are looking for that, you can understand the payments between the NUNA. And when you look for these asset holders, you can see the holders number and also the balance. Amazing side of the blockchain, everything is clear. You can see every transaction. You can also see your all transactions, also the transaction amounts, the transaction fees, and everything there. So it's really important to understand it. I believe that you can use the Stellar Expert on these purposes. Also, you can check for the liquidity pools there. You can see the total locked value on this liquidity pools. Also, you can check for the marks. Really great website. Actually, you can do everything about. You can learn everything about the Stellar Ledger. So I believe that here is the telescope of our universe, and here is the telescope of our stellar ledger. So that's all for Stellar Expert introduction video, guys. For the further information, please watch the other videos. Thanks for again listening to me.